On the auspicious occasion of Vijayadashmi, following the age-old tradition of worshipping arms and ammunition, PM Modi has dedicated 7 new defense companies to the nation. While addressing the event, PM Modi said that in India we see power as a medium of creation. PM also remarked that with the same spirit, the nation is moving towards strength.
आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान के तहत देश का लक्ष्य भारत को अपने दम पर दुनिया की बड़ी सैन्य ताकत बनाने का है। भारत में आधुनिक सैन्य इंडस्ट्री के विकास का है। पिछले 7 वर्षों में देश ने मेक इन इंडिया के मंत्र के साथ अपने इस संकल्प को आगे बढ़ाने का काम किया है।
New defense companies are a part of the various resolutions which the nation is pursuing to build a bright future for the country. These new companies would form a strong base for the military strength of the country in the times to come. To enhance functional autonomy, efficiency and unleash new growth potential and innovation, the government has decided to convert Ordnance Factory Board from a government department into 700% government-owned corporate entities. The 7 new defense companies that have been incorporated are Munitions India Limited, Armored Vehicles Nigam Limited, Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited, Troop Comforts Limited, Yantra India Limited, India Optal Limited and Gliders India Limited. PM Modi apprised that these new companies would play an important role in import substitution in line with the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Noting the glorious past of Indian ordnance factories, the Prime Minister commented that the upgradation of these companies was ignored in the post-independence period, leading to country's dependence on foreign suppliers for its needs. He further added that these 7 defense companies will play a major role in changing this situation, improving self-reliance and defense preparedness of the country. It is worth noting that our defense export has increased by 325% in the last 5 years. Promoting Atmanirbharta in the defense sector, Defense Minister has also approved a proposal of the Department of Military Affairs, Ministry of Defense to notify the second positive indigenization list of 108 items. The second list lays special focus on weapon systems that are currently under development, trials and are likely to translate into firm orders in the future. Enhancing research and innovation. PM Modi also mentioned that in the 21st century, the growth and brand value of any nation or any company is determined by its R&D and innovation. He appealed to the new companies that research and innovation should be a part of their work culture so that they just don't catch up but take lead in future technologies. This restructuring would provide more autonomy to the new companies to nurture innovation and expertise. Further, PM urged the startups to become a part of this new journey through these companies to leverage the research and expertise of each other. It may be noted that the government has given these new companies not only a better production environment but also complete functional autonomy. It has been also ensured that the interests of the employees are fully protected. India is amongst the leading countries of the world in the defense and aerospace sectors. Continuous endeavors have been laid to transform the nation into a global manufacturing hub with the focus on indigenously designed, developed and manufactured weapon systems. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.